It's time to meet Braden, a sophomore Panther majoring in theater performance. He's developed a real connection with his professors, while also benefiting from the resources that larger universities offer. He's a member of the Student Theater Association and also helps give campus tours to prospective students. Take it away, Braden.
Thanks, Alex. When I was looking at colleges, I wanted to get the personal connections and help from my professors that smaller colleges offered, while also having the resources and opportunities of larger universities. At UNI, I found I could have the best of both worlds. UNI has an expansive selection of student organizations and opportunities to get involved. Now, although there isn't enough time to do everything, it's great that there are so many options connected to my interests. I've been able to join so many fun organizations like Panther Ambassadors, a student organization dedicated to giving tours to prospective students, the UNI Student Theater Association, the university's improv team, and Cat Crew, a group dedicated to welcoming first years at the start of the year. I also have a great love for the Wellness and Recreation Center and UNI Outdoors program. Whether it's kayaking, climbing the rock wall, going on a hike with friends, or sand volleyball, there's always so many ways for me to get active and have fun with my friends. I've also found it's been very easy to connect with professors on campus. When I wanted to change majors, I met with a professor in the theater department. They met with me and mapped out career opportunities and reassured me that I'd be well prepared for success in whatever path I decided to go on. UNI's right size has allowed me to make so many personal connections with students and professors while also utilizing the opportunities and resources of a larger university. I know I'll be leaving UNI well prepared for whatever comes next and be able to take along with me the amazing connections and memories. Back to you, Alex.
You're right, Braden. The University of Northern Iowa really does offer the best of both worlds. It's great to hear about all the amazing relationships you've developed in Cedar Falls. Well done, Braden.